everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we will do something very interesting. You all can see some sticks, ice cream sticks. Yes, we have some ice cream sticks with us and we will create an ice cream stick coaster. To create that we require ice cream sticks, minimum 15. We require any glue, Fevicol, right? We require clear water, some brushes to paint it later. We are using poster colors. We are using these blue, white and yellow poster colors, and I'll also use a black poster color to create the design. You can also use marker, OHP marker, thin OHP marker or a thick marker to create the final design on it. And very important thing is the rough cloth. Okay, so to start with it, what we'll do is we have these ice cream sticks. So we will put these ice cream sticks together. Now I am doing it with the very easiest way to make this coaster. You all know what are coasters? Okay, so if you know it, very good. If you don't know it, we can use these coasters to keep the things on it on the table. So what I'm doing is I'm just making it in a line. I'm aligning my sticks together. That's the first step. Now here what I can see is I need one more stick, right? So the first step what I'm doing is I'm aligning it together. Now this one is a little different, so I will change this. Okay. Now what I will do is I have aligned it, right? Now I will place here and here. So what we'll do is, before doing that, I will just place a stick here also, just to make sure that my sticks are in alignment, right? Now we'll apply the Fevicol on this whole area. Now what I'll do is I'll just apply the Fevicol or the glue on the complete stick. This is the easiest way to create this, okay? And I will place it here. And I will let it dry. You have to hold it, okay? Now this is very crucial step where we have to leave this area to dry and we have to make sure that it dry properly. So you will be doing this thing in two places. We'll be doing it in two places. One is we will let it dry, and then when it is completely dry, we will see, I have done that. Okay, now what we can see is one stick moved. I'll just place it, right? I will also apply the Fevicol in this area. Now before that, what we'll do is I will take one more stick and I will place it here. You have to hold it for a while so that it dries properly. And I will apply Fevicol on the other one. And I will place it on this side. Now what we have to do is we have to keep it aside to let it dry. So that the whole thing dry. That is what very important. We will keep it aside to let it dry. So I am just putting it aside so that it dries. I already have one more which is already dry. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, one more thing what we will do is we will apply a coat of Fevicol. With your hand, just apply it here and leave it to dry so that it gets fixed properly. Now this is something which is fixed. After you will fix it, you will get something like this. You can see this, right? Okay, the next step is, so you have to wait for this to dry. That is very important. And then only you will use the next part. You will do the next part. Now for the next part, we require some water, clear water, and you have to require some colors of your choice. I'll just close this glue so that it doesn't dry. Now I will use the yellow color on top, followed by white color and some blue color. So we'll use lighter tones so that whatever images we are making is visible clearly. I'm using the yellow color. We are using poster colors. You can also use acrylic colors. So it's your choice, but we are doing poster colors here. So I am doing yellow color. We have to wipe our brush, clean the bristles, and then we'll use the white color. I'm directly using the white color. So we'll place the white color here so that gives a very beautiful light effect. And you can draw anything. We have to let it dry first and then we can draw anything on it. Now it depends upon us what we want to draw. So this is the base which we are doing first. First thing is to create the base. And after creating the base, it depends upon us what we want to draw here. And we have to mix these colors. You can see I have mixed it and merged it. It's not that we have to make them lines in between. We don't have to do that. Now I will use the light blue color. I have this. Okay, before that, what is important is to clean your brush, wipe it with the cloth, and then use the next color. I have this light blue color and I'm using this light blue color at the bottom side. Now, after the base is done, what you can do is you can create a complete scene. You can do anything with it. Your choice what you want to do with it. So I have just merged it. And we'll leave it to dry. Now again, this is very important that it has to be dry. In case it's not dry, then again we will not be able to create a beautiful scene. Okay, and one more thing is, after doing it, you have to close all your colors, otherwise they will dry very soon. Poster colors, I know we can add a little bit of water in it and they will be in the good shape again, but still what we need to do is we have to let it dry. Now I am using a brush and a black color to create a scene on it. What you can do is you can also use a black marker if you are not comfortable with brush. Okay, so you can also use a black marker to create the scene. You can create the same scene, you can create a different scene. It all depends upon your choice, what you want to do. Okay, we'll let it dry. It's little wet, so we can have a chat till that time, because if it is not dry properly, the effect will not come, because the other color which is below it will keep coming out. So we have to let it dry. That is very important. Okay, I'm using a black color and let me start making it. I'll make some mountains. You can make anything of your choice. So I'm just creating some mountains. Just like that. I'll paint that with a black color. So you'll get the reference. We can make anything of your choice. I have just created the shape for the mountains, just a simple shape. Now I will make some trees. I have taken black color. What I'll do is I'll just make some trees. I have made a straight line. I'll just make some pine trees. You can also change the idea. You can create the idea of your choice. So you are free to paint anything on it. You all can see I have made one pine tree. Now I'll make it with different sizes. I'll make some small pine trees, some big pine trees. This one is a little small one. and we can create some birds on top. Very simple way to make the birds, we all know that. So I'll just make 1 or 2 birds on top. So I'll make not a lot of birds, just a 1 or 2 birds. Simple. Very, very simple will work. Okay. So this is my simple coaster ready. You can add some more birds, but I am not doing that. Very simple, very few birds, and your simple coaster is ready. We'll have to let it dry. Okay, that is also very important, to let it dry, and then you can use it to keep the stuff on it. I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do share your comments. How did you find it? And you have to share your pictures with us on our Insta and Facebook page. I would love to see them. Whatever you have created, do share it with us. And of course, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel. And if you are already a subscriber, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hope to see you soon and hope you enjoy making it. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.